Hello friends, my name is Mirjan Hipolito, and I am a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we'll figure out what binary options are, one of the most accessible tools for trading. I'll explain how it works, talk about the risks, and recommend reliable brokers. Let's get started. What are binary options? So, what exactly are binary options? This is a form of trading where you predict how the price of an asset, such as a currency or stock, will change over a set period of time. Will the price go up or down? You choose an option, specify the amount and the trade direction. If your prediction is correct, you earn a fixed profit. If you're wrong, you lose the money invested. Why are binary options popular? It's simple. The minimum entry threshold, from $1, a predictable outcome, and quick returns, sometimes in just seconds. Risk warning. But be careful. Binary options are a high-risk instrument. Losses can come just as quickly as wins. That's why you should always follow these rules. Learn to analyze the market. Don't risk large amounts. Use a demo account for practice. Only discipline and education can help you avoid serious losses. Top 3 binary options brokers. To make it easier for you to get started, here are the top 3 verified brokers for binary trading. Derive, reliable and user-friendly interface, suitable for beginners. IQCent offers a low deposit and convenient functionality. Close Option, excellent customer support and a variety of assets. You'll find links to these brokers in the description of this video. On the pages of tradersunion.com, you can also find reviews from real traders about working with these and other companies. If you want to learn more about trading and binary options, subscribe to the Traders Union channel and hit like. Remember, a knowledgeable trader is a successful trader. See you in new videos.